Hey Rajiv, I was hoping you could help me out with some tips for optimizing and catalog management in on-base full text search.
Sure, I'd be happy to help. Let me share my screen. Full text search is a powerful tool that is used to retrieve textual information stored in on-base documents. In most cases, the full text server automatically determines the best settings for the machine it is installed on. But in some cases, it may be helpful to change these settings in order to optimize performance. To begin, navigate to your C drive, Program Files, Highland, Services, Full Text Server, and locate this config file. Under the App Settings element, we can add keys to help further optimize our settings. For example, we can add this key to set a maximum number of full text catalogs that can be processed concurrently. The full list of different types of keys we can add here can be found in the Full Text Search MRG. Next, we can manage our full text catalogs by heading over to On-Base Configuration, Utils, Full Text Search, and Catalogs. This page displays the document types available to Full Text Search and their status and configuration information. Here, we can further manage our catalogs. The symbols under the index column displays if the catalog has been configured for indexing and is available to full text search. The active checkbox allows us to activate or deactivate the catalog for that document type. The catalog path section sets the full paths to the catalog for the document type. A path will only display if the catalog has been configured for that document type. Next, the PDF as image checkbox allows for PDF documents for that document type to be processed as images for indexing purposes. If left unchecked, the PDF documents will be processed by extracting the text layer from the documents. The delete checkbox is used to delete catalogs. And lastly, the exclude file types drop-down list allows you to select the file types to exclude from full text indexing for each catalog.
Thanks for watching. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up. If you have a question that you would like answered on an upcoming Question Corner, please leave a comment below.